Boise.
Definitely.
Just to attempt the tire change challenge for no other reason.
Saw it on the internet. There's no way somebody can't beat a blindfolded guy.
On your mark, get set, go. So carefully placing the tire now.
Oh man.
All right, 2 out split, 15 seconds.
Oh no. That wasn't that good.
All right, split promising, honestly.
I think that's what everybody else did wrong, is they let it get too far.
This looks pretty good. Want to finish the bounce down? A good choice. All right, 2 ball split, 45 seconds.
Oh my god, that one. Come on.
Always forgot about the dual stage. Just a wheel down, use both hands.
We gotta get in.
All right, we're at 60. And stop. Let's inspect for. All right, it looks good. Nice straight valve stem.
Didn't pinch flat.
1 minute, 24 seconds. The new fastest time for people who aren't me. I think you can claim the title of fastest we've had west of the Mississippi.
Yeah, okay, Ohio people. You're gonna let someone from the west come fly in and show you up? It's tough.